Knowledge. Interesting facts about drug use. Different drugs can have a variety of effects on us, though effects may be both positive and negative. If we don't know exactly what is in the drug, effects can be unpredictable and cause long-term harm. Click on the images below to reveal what effects might be experienced. Stimulants, for example ecstasy, MDMA, cocaine, affect the dopamine receptors in the brain to make the user feel energized, physically active, fast thinking, chatty, and euphoric. When the effects start to wear off, people can experience a come down, which can make them feel depressed, anxious, and panicky. This is because too much dopamine has entered the brain and depleted the natural reward system that makes us feel happy and energized. Depressants, for example, benzodiazepines, GHB, alcohol, can initially make you feel more confident, reduced inhibitions, and less anxious, but can lead to a lack of coordination, vomiting, and unconsciousness. Mixing drugs can be particularly dangerous. Drug use can affect relationships and loved ones. Money spent on drugs, instead of savings and joint interest between a couple, can cause arguments and stress. A partner could be on the receiving end of mood swings, reduced sexual interest and functioning, lack of engagement from their loved one, and other forms of emotional neglect due to drug use and resulting come-downs. Different drugs will attract different penalties. If you are found possessing a Class A drug, you could receive up to 7 years in prison, or an unlimited fine, or both. The maximum penalty for selling a Class A drug is life in prison, or an unlimited fine, or both. Remember, even so-called legal highs are still dangerous. Just because there is no penalty for possession of these substances doesn't mean they are safe to use. Supply and production of these substances can still attract up to 7 years in prison. The drugs industry has a serious human and environmental cost. People involved in making and selling cocaine, for example, can be exploited or harmed by gangs, especially children who are made to deliver cocaine. Up to 90,000 people in Mexico were killed for cocaine between 2007 and 2014. Cocaine also contributes to destruction of rainforests and animals, so that the coca plant can be farmed. General drug use can have a devastating impact on our local communities and fuels crime and gang violence.